5 coolest kinetic gadgets that will amaze you for hours. Kinetic gadgets boost your brain during the slow and stressful day or calm a racing mind and bring ideas to focus on. So in this video, we'll discuss about 5 coolest kinetic gadgets that will amaze you for hours. But before starting the video, be sure to subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 5. Feel FLUX. Imagine a device that can truly surprise people around you, show your friends the unusual anti-gravity effect FLUX Original provides, and they won't believe their eyes. Guaranteed. Drop the heavy metal ball into the copper tube and see it defying gravity as the ball descends slowly inside. There are no batteries, no electronics, just a solid piece of metal and a super strong magnet ball. The simplicity of it makes it even more magical. The slow motion of the ball makes for an oddly satisfying experience that people find very relaxing. You can keep this addictive gadget on your desk or take it with you. FLUX Original will be your favorite all-in-one conversation starter, stress reliever, and fidget toy. Number 4. ThinkGeek Sand Script. Zen gardens can be a relaxing escape right on your desk, drawing little circles in the sand, placing the rocks, leveling the sand, and starting again. Except one day you come in and your little rake is gone. That makes it challenging to be zen. Give your Zen garden an upgrade with the Sand Script automatic sand drawing machine from ThinkGeek. Measuring about 11.5 inches in diameter, this clever device uses magnets that enable you to control a ball with 3 dials, tracing patterns in the sand, making symmetrical mandala patterns, or randomized doodles on command. Set it and let it go, or make tiny adjustments continuously. The Sand Script automatic sand drawing machine comes with 2 steel balls. Make your selection based on what level of detail suits your design aesthetic. And when you're ready to start over, just shake it like an Etch-a-Sketch and your ephemeral designs will disappear into a blank canvas of sand. Number 3. The String of Pisces. Strings of Pisces is an interesting lamp that is designed for artistic and aesthetic experience. Its wavy pattern can change to create awesome visual effects when one touches it. The sleek, smooth, and artistic design of this Pisces kinetic art lamp achieves the 3-in-1 display by using a rotating string illuminated by a collection of strobing LEDs. If you get a sense of this being a one-time science project, you'd be right. Now it's a consumer product that can be enjoyed by all in the format of a rather awesome-looking lamp. The best part is that all of that high-tech science is controlled by an Arduino Nano, which is mounted into a custom PCB. The exterior design represents the Pisces zodiac symbol, which is best described as 2 fish bound by a string so that as they swim upstream, they can still stay together while escaping Typhon, a mythological river monster, or at least that's the legendary story behind the sign of Pisces. Number 2. Square Wave. Square Wave is a beautifully designed work of art intended to be admired and add natural, simple beauty and elegance to your home or garden. It's inherently intuitive to use. Square Wave is also perfect when it comes to helping us relax, meditate, and reflect on life. It's the ultimate stress reliever precisely because of its mesmerizing waves and soft turning motions like a bird in flight or a tree blowing in the wind. Square Wave is bright and shiny with warm golden reflections. Its rich gold color is a result of the galvanization process that also protects the sculpture from humidity and other atmospheric agents. Square Wave is the perfect accent for every room in your home or office. Its beauty is timeless and it never seems out of place. You can hang it from the ceiling as kinetic sculpture or play with it whenever you feel like it. Square Wave is a truly rare and unique example of originality combined with stunning design. Number 1. ANAPHOR. ANAPHOR is a perfect desk companion, a timeless art piece, will always enrich your desk, even stand still, and amaze your curious guests and friends when spun. It's elegant and joyful at the same time. It's going to enchant you and your friends with its uniqueness, quality, fun, and magical effect. ANAPHOR comes with 5 special colors such as rose, chrome, chocolate, gold, and ice. Genuine leather layer with embossed ANAPHOR logo is attached on the base part to absorb bearing noise and protect any surface from scratching. The liquid inside is easy to change. Unscrew the cap and refill. You can pour any liquid as you want, such as oral rinse, fruit juice, oil, or colored any water. If you wish, you can reveal your experimental side by adding different materials like pearl dust, sand, or liquids that have different densities. ANAPHOR is a great toy for your kids to educate them in a fun way. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.